Up until recently, the law was that you could only sue a dog owner if they had prior notice actually that the dog had vicious propensities. There was actually a really recent change in the law where a court of appeals said now the victim of a dog bite can actually sue the owner if the dog was unleashed. You can now sue the owner for negligence, which even just a few years ago you couldn't. So in addition to having to be, there's now two ways or two bases on which you can sue a dog owner for a dog bite case in New York. And one is if they had notice that the dog was vicious or had aggressive propensities, then they're strictly liable for the dog bite. But you can also show that if someone was negligent in handling the dog, such as they were allowing it off the leash or letting it run freely or weren't properly controlling the dog, and there was an attack, you can also now sue in negligence where only a few years ago you couldn't. So it's a very interesting change in the law. There was a recent Court of Appeals decision that came up with that.